Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this mini swag today. Everything on this is from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Yeah, this was kind of just like a craft with me video while I was in the middle of a creative spurt. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep watching. I'll apologize for my workstation ahead of time because I was definitely in the middle of just banging out some wreaths here. And I came up with this and I just wanted to show you really quick because it is really quick and simple, so this is not going to be a long video. What you're going to need is one of these Christmas trees from the dollar store, obviously $1, Christmas house, Christmas tree. You're going to need, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. One of these berry picks from Dollar Tree. It says branches. I stocked up on these while I could find them. I also have this ribbon. This is from Dollar General. It's $2. And I also pulled out some pine cones from Dollar General. I have a glue gun heating up right here. And I also have some white paint. You're gonna need pipe cleaner right here, and probably a couple of zip ties. If you don't have zip ties, pipe cleaners are fine. So all I've done here, and I'm just gonna huck this on the floor. I'm in one of those creative moods, so I just have crap everywhere. So all I've done is open this up, and instead of like spreading it out in a 3D manner, I've just laid it flat. So it makes like a nice teardrop, obviously, because it's in the shape of a Christmas tree. When I opened this up, one of these was broken, and all I did was hot glue it back on. Totally not a big deal at all. Oh, I couldn't figure out what was in the picture back here. It's all the wreaths that I've made. Okay, so I have this laid out. I'm gonna try to get this at a good angle. All right, now what I'm gonna do is take this branch of pip berries, is what I would call them. They're very pretty, they're frosted. And I'm gonna take the tag off. And these branches on this are malleable. You can move them. So I'm just gonna spread them out. So now that we have that spread out, all I'm gonna do is go in with this white paint right here. This is Folk Art chalk paint in Adirondack white Adirondack. And I shook it up, and I'm just gonna take whatever's on the cap, go in with a small foam brush, like very scantly. And I'm gonna come in and I'm kind of just gonna frost my pine of this tree, because these are very plasticky looking. So if you do this, it kind of just adds something to it. A little realistic touch, if you will. And don't do this if you're wearing a shirt that you like, because it is definitely going to splatter everywhere. I learned that lesson last night, and I'm still wearing a nice shirt today. Now I'm just stamping some on. Here we go. How pretty does that look? I'm not going to do that to those berries because those berries are already frosted by Dollar Tree, and they also added glitter too. And I'm going to make a bow right quick. This is a bow dabra. The way I do it is I put a pipe cleaner right down the center, so the pipe cleaner is facing upwards. Then I take a half of a pipe cleaner, go down the center there. Okay, so basically this is going to tighten up the bow and secure the bow. And then this will be the thing that secures it onto the wreath or the swag or whatever you're making. So I'm gonna take this. And this is a double-sided ribbon, so we don't have to worry about twisting it or anything. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna make a tail. I've cut that at 16 inches long, so it'll have an 8-inch drop on each side. I'm gonna line these up, fold them over, and dovetail it. Okay, that goes down the center of your bodega. Alright, that's it. That's a bow. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I never keep you on while I make my bows, because there's nothing to see here. That's it. And I still have enough ribbon to do another one of these. Just make sure you do your loops kind of evenly. If I don't measure, sometimes they get a little wonky. So this is a little bit wonky, but nothing is perfect when we're at home crafting, right? Right. So now, come up here and move this up to where I want it. Where did my other zip tie go? I used it for my bow. This is what it's like in here. I have a mess because I get creative and then I can't find anything that I need and or want to be using. Whoa! Okay, I'll have to find that later. Alright, we're secured together now. Now at this point, if you want, take some of your hot glue and just press some of these little berries down so they're not flying all over all wonky. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I did do it with my other ones that I made just because sometimes they tend to like do what they want to do, you know? Okay. Now I'm going to take my ribbon and just secure it to the top. I'm making a mess, guys. I'm making a damn mess. Alright. So we're up here, we're behind here. This is why I used a pipe cleaner, so I can just say whoop. And that's it. We got this now. Cute, cute, right? You can leave it like that. That's gorgeous. We might leave it like that. I don't know. I might not even. Whoop! Man down. I don't know if I want to use a sign on this one. This one's just so pretty. I really like this ribbon that I used. So we might just be popping some. Oh yeah, we're doing that. We're just gonna pop some freaking pine cones on here and call it a day. You're gonna have this. Oh, this is cute too. There's so many different options. Do I like this? Do I like it? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna take this bell. This is from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna plop a whole crap ton of hot glue right on the back of it and plop it right below the bow. Okay, another hot glue stick. I always use Gorilla Glue. I glue everything down. I've never had a problem. Never had a customer complaint. Nothing. So now I guess that defeats the purpose of these little mini ornaments, so you can scrap those too. And we're just going to use these little pine cones because this is super cute. I also don't want like pine cone overkill though. Oh, I know what I was gonna add. I'm gonna add some of these white ornaments from Dollar Tree. I said this was gonna be quick, and here I am 17 minutes in. There we go. Okay, yeah. Here's our final project. Super cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put one right at the very, very tippity doodah of this. Right down here. You see it? Yeah. Because how cute. And I think we need one more right here. I know you can't see me that well. I did not try too hard to like get a good setup here. I really just wanted to share this with you and how quick and simple and easy this really is. You can go through this and add ornaments if you want to. Whatever you want to add to it, honestly. Some of this vase filler would be cute. Just have little white stuff. Ooh, yeah, let's do that. So I got these little white vase fillers from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna put some hot glue on them, and they come in different sizes in the bag, so I'm pretty sure I've used all of the bigger size already. So I'm just gonna come and pop some of these white ones in here. Just gonna pop these in here real quick. No rhyme or reason to them. And they should melt pretty nicely onto everything. All right, so now you need something to hang this with. You can use regular jute twine, whatever. I have this little leftover piece of something here, and I'm just gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna take one more zip tie, and I'm gonna tie this kind of cute with like a bow. Okay, there it is. I'm not going fancy here, but I am aiming for cute. So there's our bow. I'm gonna cut off the little tails. Don't need them. Retake on that. I'm gonna take one of these, put that through. Okay, see? Yes. I'm gonna go back down here. And try to hide that pipe cleaner or the zip tie behind the bow. Okay. There's what we got. Look at that. Beautiful little swag. And here's what we hang it by. There you go. This is what the back looks like. Obviously, I'm going to cut this stuff and clean it up a little bit, but there it is. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Bye.